Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickUp time tracking for client billing, full guide step by step clearly. To configure ClickUp time tracking for client billing, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace you want to set up. In the left sidebar, click on the Tasks section to view your current projects. Select the specific task you want to track time for. On the Task Details pane, locate the timer icon. Click the timer icon to start tracking your time. You can pause or stop the timer as needed during your work. To add additional time entries, click on the Time Tracking tab within the Task Details. Here, you can manually add time entries if you forgot to track time in real time. Fill in the date, duration, and description for each manual entry. Next, head to your workspace settings by clicking on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Select ClickApps from the drop-down menu. Locate the time tracking ClickApp and ensure it is enabled. For accurate client billing, set up custom billing rates in your workspace settings. Click on Billing under the workspace settings and choose Rates. Add your client's name and their respective billing rate. Once configured, return to the task and ensure time tracked is assigned to the correct client. Now, when you generate reports, you can easily include the track time for accurate billing. To view time tracking reports, go back to the sidebar and select Reports. In the Reports section, filter by time tracked task item. This will give you a clear overview of the time spent on each client's project. Review the report for accuracy before sending it to your client. If everything looks good, you can create an invoice based on the reported time tracked. This process ensures you have all necessary time data for billing your clients accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.